Okay, 6. 6 plus. Any number 6 plus? 9. 3. Okay, now guys, we are going to have a word here. Who goes with 9? Raise your hand. Who goes with 3? Raise your hand. I think it's the same. Alright guys, let's do it once again. Alright, who goes with 9? Raise your hand. Who goes with 3? Raise your hand. Okay, so it's a 9. 6 plus 9, okay? Somebody? 6 plus, hold on. 6 plus 9. What's the answer, Smati? How many rings? 6 plus 9. Let's list one more time, alright? Guys, let's list one more time. And this time, we start with first number. 7. 7, alright? We start with this time with 7. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4, is it okay? Alright, 7 plus 4. Okay, now, Smati. 7 plus 4. What's the answer, Smati? How many rings? Hold on, Smati. Hold on. 7 plus 4. Focus. Alright, not 10,000. 20, focus, 20. 7 plus 4. 20. Last time for you. Once again, guys. Somebody, hold on. Somebody. Look at number first, buddy. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, okay? 7 plus 4. This time the correct guys. Okay, now buddy, look at me. Buddy, what happened to you just now, buddy? Alright, now buddy, go and go do your homework, alright? Okay, guys, now give me hand to Smarty here. Thank you, Smarty. Okay, Smarty, thank you. Okay, alright guys, now we forgot about Smarty first. Now guys, we are going to call our king of the sky. But before that guys, I need your cooperation, which is please take care of your king. Please don't stand up or raise your hand. Alright guys, now we are going to call mine. It's our teachable hawk eagle. But before that, I'm going to call our trainer first. Okay, Mike, are you ready, Mike? Oh, there you are. Okay, alright guys, now you hand to Mike, our teachable hawk eagle. Alright guys, now, let me tell you more about teachable hawk eagle. For your information, in here we got 2 species of teachable hawk eagle, which is we have dark moth and we also have a light moth. Alright guys, mostly teachable hawk eagle breeding in India, Sri Lanka and the southeast of Asia. Alright, so guys, not just that, we have something special for mine, which is you guys going to see a true behavior an eagle. Alright, how aggressive an eagle is it? Okay, but before that, Mike, can you turn around first? Okay. And this species can catch a big prey, okay? Are you ready, Mike? Okay, we have a big mix here. Okay. Good job, Hunter. Alright, guys, now give the hand to Hunter on your brown mini guy. Thank you, Hunter. Alright, now Hunter is stay there first, okay? Alright, next guys, what I have here. I have a dustbin here with some trash. Okay, so guys, although we like to entertain everyone, but we also must to take care of our wildlife and nature. Alright, now, please welcome our last performer for today. His name is Q, our last blue and gold performer. Okay, Q, are you ready, Q? Alright, come on, Q. Alright, Q, come on. Alright, step on, Q. Well done, Q. Alright, let's see if you got two more. Come on, Q. Good job, Q. Now, Q, last one, boy. Come on, last one, Q, for Q. Well done, Q. Alright, guys, now give us a hand to Q again. Thank you, Q. Okay, alright, guys, now we have come to the end of our show. I would like to introduce once again our team of winners. Alright, guys, now in my right side we have Mr. Ultimate Q, and in my left side we have Mr. Ultimate Hunter. And once again, my name is Martin. Thank you for coming to our first show, and bye-bye, guys. See you again. Okay, now let us now. Q, you have anything to say to the audience? Come on, Q. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you. I love you too, the last one. I love you. Thank you. Thank you.